What's up guys, Press Yong here, back for another video. And Apple actually released iOS 16.3.1 to all supported iOS iPhones that support iOS 16 inch, which is from the iPhone 8 Plus up to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And of course the model that I'm using is 12 Pro Max, and it's the stable update, that's why I can install on my main device. I don't do beta anymore. I only do official software updates. So from now on for my channel, I'm going to focus on official updates, not the beta updates anymore. But if I do, I'm probably going to do a preview what's going to be on iOS 16.4 beta. So obviously when you go to photos, I actually screenshot what it has. So this is what it looks like. iOS 16.3.1. This update provides important bug fixes and security updates on your phone. Obviously when you click learn more, it actually shows everything. So the first thing is actually iCloud settings. So usually when you actually go to your iCloud, and when you check your iCloud out storage, sometimes it shows an inaccurate data. Say that there's a large iCloud stores, but sometimes when you see you didn't even store anything. So now it's been fixed. Hopefully many people is going to solve this issue in the future. So that's good about it. Next one is actually Siri request for Find Mine. So if you have from my iPhone, Siri's request is not working, and now all should be work just fine. Now last but not least, this is actually only for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max model. So the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, if you have crash detections problem, Apple actually tried to fix it to avoid like some sort of, let's say you're on a roller coaster and then you thought you're moving around, and then the phone thought that you're in danger. They just call emergency phone online. But now Apple tried to avoid this thing by trying to make it perfect on the software update. But I think they actually do it slowly, so I think probably it's going to be okay in the future. Maybe 16.4, maybe they're going to fix it on iOS 17, who knows. Now should you actually install iOS 16.3.1? It's actually a yes. I'm not sure they actually solved the Wi-Fi issue. Maybe people had complained about connecting Wi-Fi on your iPhone back iOS 16.3 is very bad, but now 16.3.1 will probably solve this issue right now. But I think install, it's a must install. Obviously there's no landscape. I wish Apple can actually implement one, and probably in the future, but I think it's not going to happen. But actually it would be nice if Apple adds that. So that's about iOS 16.3.1. Not much an update. It's actually a minor update. Okay, last time we thought we can see 16.2.2, 16.2.3 around there, but actually as it jumped. But this time Apple's going to fix the issue 16.3.1. So but now iOS 16.4 beta also released, which means that Apple is ready to send in more betas on iOS 16.4 in the future. So that's about it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.